For the last 10 years, we have been eating food like this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You might think that is good, right? But it is not. Our cholesterol level became high because of eating meals like that. We do not eat excessively or drink too much alcohol. We exercise every day. We drink fruit juice every day. We eat our greens every day. We also avoid junk food, but our bad cholesterol is high year after year. We want to stop that. That is why we eat lunch like this now. Tomato egg stir fry, an easy pea soup, and chocolate cake with no egg, no butter for dessert. What really worked in reducing our high cholesterol was removing all product that has animal element in it. That means butter, milk, cream, cookies, cakes, sausages, pork chop, and basically everything we love, including fried chicken. There is only one animal element in our tomato egg recipe, the egg. One large egg is very high in cholesterol according to Google compared to 100 grams of cow meat. Since two of us are sharing one egg, we think one egg should be okay and will not break our low cholesterol diet plan. This simple tomato egg recipe is very simple dish to cook. I think most of you would have met them before. Some people prefer to scramble their eggs for this recipe. We prefer to fry our egg omelette style. Add the sauce without water. Give it a toss until you see the tomato starting to ooze juice, then scoop it to the plate. A delicious, tasty, simple recipe to whip up on one of those lazy days. Our pea soup is not pureed because we find pureed pea soup too sandy for our taste. There seems to be a shortage of frozen peas. Took us a few stops before we found some. If you cannot find frozen peas, then use canned peas. Our favorite brand is Muiling. Do not use processed peas. They will turn your whole soup green in color. Beside the peas, we added tomatoes, potatoes, and carrots. No meat in this soup. It's pure veggie soup. We boil the peas for a longer period until it turns from bright green to dark green. Doing this makes the peas more tender. This pea soup is my childhood favorite and still is today. We hope you will give this tasty, easy, delightful pea soup a try. Brownies is by far our most favorite dessert. If you look through the video list in our channel, you can see we have many brownie recipes. These brownie recipes no longer fit our low cholesterol diet plan because they contain eggs and butter. Finding the best brownie no egg no butter recipe has not been easy. Twice we got the water to flour ratio wrong. The result was cracking and dry cake texture. We never gave up and finally we got the correct ratio. Using this ingredient also helps to make the brownie moist. This brownie has a dense fudge-like cake texture. We found banana can have an overpowering flavor, but it is needed to balance the moistness of the brownie. To increase the chocolate flavor, we added chocolate emulco. This chocolate flavoring will help to make the brownie even more chocolatey. Sometimes accident can happen, but we always pick up from where we left off and move on. It is the same as everything else in life. Don't you think so? Leave us a comment below what you think. This recipe is suitable for an 8-inch pan. If you are doubling up the quantity, then you need a bigger cake pan. The size of the pan matters if you want to avoid a cracked top. We put the bake for 15 minutes at 170 Celsius. For the frosting, melt 100 grams of dark chocolate and 70 ml of coconut milk in the microwave. Let it cool down until it starts to harden into a creamy, spreadable texture. This brownie will taste even better the day after. You will not regret making this insanely healthy, easy chocolate brownie. Our easy pea soup and a simple tomato egg. Subscribe to our channel.
See you next week.
Thanks for watching.